wacha kutembea na goons, wacha kuenda kutafuta sijui askari nini. Nasikia wengine wanaenda kutafuta former police officers, ati wakuje, alafu kidogo kidogo tumia those networks, wanabemana na tear gas kwa mikutano yenye wanaenda na tear gas. The Inspector General is going to be ruthless on those people, because we are not going to... Kama wewe unaenda mkutano Nakuru, si uende uongeleshe watu ya Nakuru. Kama ni Naivasha, tuongeleshe wa Naivasha. Why are you carrying people from Nairobi, Jabini, sijui unaenda kutoa watu Nanyuki? Si wewe uongeleshe wa hapo, make your case, wakikupenda, ukuchakue, and then we move together mbele. Tuko pamoja hivyo? Kwa hivyo mimi nawaomba, incitement, especially as we go to the elections, will not be entertained. We will take our action. Wacha kotini waachilie hawa. Lakini from a security perspective, we will do our part. We will present them to court. If CJ Murkomen and the judiciary want to entertain them and release them and call it freedom of expression, they will release them. We will arrest again. We will take them there. They will be releasing. When the file of Kenya is opened, if anything happens in Kenya and you trace the history, nobody will blame IG Kanja, nobody will blame CS Murkomen, nobody will blame the executive, because we will do our part to make sure that enforcement is done in this country when it comes to law and order.